In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the customer portal in Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk is a powerful tool that enhances customer support. And enabling the customer portal is a great way to streamline customer interactions. This portal allows your customers to access information, submit tickets, and manage their support requests easily. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Help Center settings. Begin by going to the Setup section, which you can find by clicking on the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to a variety of configuration options, making it a crucial area in Zoho Desk for personalization and management. Once you're in the Setup area, proceed to Channels and then Help Center. Here, you'll find a list of help centers you can configure. Select the specific help center you'd like to work with. This step is essential because each help center can have its own unique settings tailored to different customer bases or product lines. After selecting the help center you wish to configure, it's time to manage the access settings. Within the chosen help center, click on Access Settings. This section deals with who can access your portal and how they interact with it, ensuring that you have control over the user experience and security. In Access Settings, you have several options. Firstly, consider enabling the option for Customers can sign up for the Help Center. This feature empowers your customers by allowing them to self-register, which can lead to a more engaging and efficient customer service experience. It simplifies the process for customers, giving them the autonomy to get involved just when they need to. If you're concerned about managing the influx of new registrations or wish to maintain a tight-knit community within your help center, enabling moderate customer sign-ups might be the right choice for you. This setting allows you to oversee who gets access, helping to prevent spam and ensuring that only legitimate customers are entering your ecosystem. It's a great way to keep control over the quality of interactions within your portal. Additionally, you have the option to turn on Auto Invite. This feature is particularly useful if you want to streamline customer onboarding. When this option is enabled, every time a customer submits their first support ticket, they automatically receive an invitation to the portal. You can specify which departments should trigger this invitation, selecting from specific ones or opting for the All Active Departments option, which covers all bases. This invitation system is a nice way to ensure customers are seamlessly introduced to your full range of support offerings without requiring manual intervention. By following these steps carefully, you can effectively enable and customize your customer portal in Zoho Desk, enhancing the way you interact with and support your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy configuring.